So Braj is all about humility and feelings, bhav. Like everyone says, oh, Gopi Deha, Siradeha, Siradeha. That's important, but it's the least important. The most important thing is developing Gopi Bhav. Gopi Bhav is the essential key thing. When the Shruticharis became inspired by the gopis and wanted to become a gopi, it says for millions of years they cultivated Gopi Bhav. They didn't have Siradeya. They didn't come to go to some guru. Oh, can you tell me my spiritual body is a Manjari Sakhi? They didn't do. But when they finally attained that bhav, when they finally attained Shuddh Bhav, pure Gopi Bhav, then they were born, Radhe. They were born in Barsana as gopis, from the wombs of gopas. And they grew up, and then they worshiped Katyayani. In Mrigashirsh month, Katyayani Mahamayi, Mahayogini Shri, Nanda Gopa Sutam Devim, Patim Me Kurute Namaha. Patim Me Kuru. Patim Me Kurute Namaha. Oh Durga Ma, oh Katyayani, oh Durga, oh Yogamaya. Please make that beautiful, dashing, darling, charming, sweet, kind, lovable, irresistible, tantalizing son of Nanda Baba my boyfriend. Not only boyfriend, my pati. There's 500 ladies all saying we want one pati. 500 ladies bathing in Yamuna in Mrigashirsh month, November, December. And they're all chanting the same prayer. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in his Tikas, he explains each one was chanting one mantra with a different meaning. Sound familiar? Everybody in ISKCON is chanting one Maha Mantra with a different meaning. Oh, please engage me in service. Oh, Krishna, I want to be a coward boy. Oh, Krishna, Ram is Balaram. Krishna is Krishna. And Hare is Krishna. This, that. Oh, I want to be a coward boy. Or, oh, these are all these mantras. Hari is the lion. Krishna is Krishna. Rama is Radharaman. And it's all Krishna. And I'm chanting for the pleased Radharani when she's with Krishna to increase and enhance her sambhog. Because she feels like, oh, wait a minute. I'm with this one Krishna. But this Manjari is manifested another Krishna in her chanting. Or when Radharani is separated from Krishna in Viyog, Vipralamba separation from Krishna, then the Manjari sits by Radharani's flower bed, or when she's perspiring in this Viraha tap, this Vipralamba Agni, fire of separation, then she's chanting the same mantra, and Radharani's thinking, oh, yeah, Hari, oh, Krishna. And there's so much meaning behind this. Raghunath Das and Vishwanath, they give whole lila. There's a whole lila in it. It's all Krishna's name, but what's Krishna doing? He's calling Radharani. It's a lila where it's all Hari, Krishna, and Ram. This is the Manjari Bhav Upasana conception. Each word is Krishna, Hari, Krishna, and Ram, and he's calling Radharani to the Kunj, and then so it ends up, although all the words mean Krishna, the whole lila inside is Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna Milan, Sambhog. So, and the Karan, or let's say, not the Karan, but the use of that mantra is in Vipralamba and also in Sambhog, in union. Now, the question is, as sadhakas, we chant with this conception, the mantra means this, and its whole lila is going in my mind, and I'm there serving Radharani, and Krishna's coming, and all the meanings are there, and it goes very, very deep in the smaran and chanting. That's the sadhakas. The principle of manjaris and sakhis singing and chanting for the pleasure of Radharani is there all over the scriptures, in Stavavali and Radharasa and other places. So they will sing, the manjaris will learn songs, the sakhis and manjaris, they'll learn songs from Radharani. She'll teach them different songs. And you're getting tired, and I'm getting tired, so we're all going like this, See if this is straight. So that they will learn songs directly from Radharani, Sangita Charya Radharani, singing, dancing, everything. And then they will sing, when Radharani's in separation, they'll sing other songs, not Hare Krishna. What will they sing? Brajbhasha bhajans. Bhajans. Like you see all these Rasya Kirtans by all these great Padakartas and poets of India. So many of them. You know them better than me. So many famous great writers of Brajbuli or whatever they call it. Brajbhasha poems. So the manjaris and sakhis, they will sing these songs for the pleasure of Radharani. But this is the Maha Mantra, deep conception. So